Created so that I can share a lot of details about the yoga certification and how you can make yourself a excellent yoga teacher into this field. This particular channel, it will help you to decide what are the various courses available in India and how you can make a successful career in the same. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, just click on the bell icon and subscribe to the channel so that you will never lose any kind of important updates as far as yoga career and yoga certification is concerned. See, yoga is getting distorted day by day. So whenever I use the word distortion, I mean to say yoga being considered as just a physical workout. And as we know, if we consider yoga as a physical workout, we are not taking care of the different elements of yoga. We are not able to take care of the physical component, not able to take care of the breathing component, mental component, intellectual component and spiritual component. So when you use the word holistic, it means yoga helps you to take care of all these components in your practices. And if you're not using these components in your practical session, it means you're not doing yoga in a very holistic way. Because if yoga wants to do just as a physical workout, then probably you don't need to do only as a yoga as a physical workout, because there are so many practices that can easily be done. Because of the practices, you are able to involve and integrate each and every component in this particular world. Okay, secondly, it is very important to know that yoga was a part of Indian culture. We lost the glory till 2015, and again the glory has brought us back when United Nations have declared as an international yoga day, and yoga start becoming popular all over the world. And as you know, if anything gets really like popular, it is bound to get diluted. And because the government of India wants to stop the dilution, they have formed a yoga certification board which offers you various training programs, so that will help a person to make a successful career into this field. Now, very first question people will ask, if there are so many universities offering MSc degree, diploma, what's the use of the certification? See, the main advantage of the yoga certification is it gives you a gold standard. If you're going to USA, if you tell them that you have done my YCB certification, they can easily check the syllabus online, and they know that if you have done this particular course, this particular certification, you have done this much. But that's not the case when you do your MS in yoga, because in case of MS in yoga, every universities have a different curriculum. So they are not sure what is the quality of the practices over there. But if you say yourself you've done your YCB certification, they know that you have followed the standardization. And as we know, there are people all over the world want to learn this hatha yoga, and this is more important in current scenario as the population of India is also increasing day by day. So it's very important that we are able to understand the true concept of yoga. So yoga is an merging of the individual consciousness with the cosmic consciousness. You got to marry yourself with the cosmic consciousness. And if you're able to understand each and every aspect of the practices, each and every aspect of the human existence, then you really understand the core aspect of the practices. Okay, so this is all about this. Now, in order to promote yoga in a very big way, the YCB Yoga Certification Board is formed. The main objectives of YCB is to promote yoga as a career skill and to develop a standardization so that all teachers, irrespective of where they are trained, not trained freshers, anywhere in the world, have to follow a certain standard. And if they are able to follow that, that will give them immense benefit, because people will have a trust on them that they have done a particular course or particular syllabus. Now I believe in, it's not the time that's important, but your focus is important. Because if yoga being taught as a number of hours of practice, the main point over there is what you're learning in those 200 hours. So if you're able to focus on a certain syllabus, and that is going to be a focus syllabus as laid down by the Ministry of Ayush, then definitely the quality of yoga education will be good, because Ministry of Ayush is the only authority which is there for us to believe in. For example, if you read this, if you read the Bhagavad Gita, you don't question, even though we may not be present during that time, but we got to trust them. And same thing with the wise way seller, because about my own self, I have done my many teachers training programs. I've done my diploma in yoga from say Kavila Dham, PGDYT from S Vyasa University. What I've designed, what I've known, that YCB curriculum is the best curriculum, because every theory practice you can embed with your practical practices. Because if you take yourself seriously, then people are not going to take seriously. You got to not take yourself seriously, so that people can take yoga seriously. That is very important. And as you understand, yoga means union with the cosmos. Yoga means you constantly enhance your perception towards your own self, and if you are able to understand that, you will know that even if you are doing the same practices, it's going to give you a complete different experience every time you do. And your work will be to just share those experiences to people, because everyone in the world can copy your asana, pranayama instructions, but they cannot copy your intentions of helping people. They cannot copy your own experience that you get while you do your own practices. If we are able to train more than 10,000 people of good quality standard, rest the world is going to follow the standardization. And that's the role of yoga certification board, which is the yoga certification board offers various schemes that is approved by the government of India, and it has an international recognition as well. So we should teach in such a way that people are inspired to learn. They are able to ask you what you have learned, where you have learned, because they know that behind the scene you are going to include the theory, and once they are able to link the theory with the practical, then the actual like magical journey is going to start. So this is all about today's video, how you can be an excellent yoga teacher. We conduct regular webinar sessions where we explain everything in detail. How do you go about, how do you plan your career, what is the syllabus of this YCB curriculum. You will find a link below. You can just click on the link, join the WhatsApp group. In that WhatsApp group, we are going to share the Zoom link, and you can attend the free training session, so that you will get complete idea whether this particular YCB certification is for you or not. Okay, so if you found that today's particular video useful, please click on the link below and subscribe to my channel, so that you will never miss any updates coming to you. Thank you.